Now let's spend a little time in the WordPress visual editor. This is where you're going to be doing most of your work. So go back to the Pages menu, click on All Pages, and we're going to go back and edit the home page. Down here, Edit. And let's spend a little time here. First of all, notice there's two tabs here. The Visual tab is the What You See Is What You Get, and the Text tab is the HTML version of this. We don't really have a lot of markup here, but as soon as we put some markup in, you're going to be seeing some HTML. We'll revisit that later. You're going to want to hit this little button here, Show Hide Kitchen Sink, that brings up another row of menus, and you're going to want to expand it a little bit by dragging the button on the left. And just let me show you a couple things you can do. All of these menus at the top work by highlighting text. For instance, you can bold the top. You can italic here by selecting text and then hitting the italic button. You can also bullet list. Let me show you how that might work. Bullet list. And just selecting text and clicking this here, as you would expect. You can number list, same thing. This does indented quote, align left, align center, align right. Hyperlink we're going to show you momentarily. Read more, it's used in the post excerpt. We're going to return to that. The most important thing is this line here called the heading level. And typically what you're going to do is, this is sort of similar to Microsoft Word, that it gives you, let me unbold that, it sort of organizes your content according to the importance of the heading. So let's put that heading in heading level 2. There's 6 heading levels, and that's pretty well it. You can paste in from plain text using this tool. Basically that removes all formatting from the document. And if you want to paste in from Word, use this box here, paste in your copy from Word, and that will remove most formatting but leave bolds, italics, underlines, and hyperlinks. So if you're pasting in from Word, make sure you use this paste in from Word, otherwise you're going to get a lot of junk HTML in your text, which in your website which is going to be very difficult to remove. Occasionally you are going to have to go into the Text tab, and when you get into trouble here, it's going to happen sooner or later. You're going to have to clean up HTML, junk HTML that you're going to find in there. Sometimes the easiest thing to do is, if you get into a formatting problem, just copy the entire text here, cut it, and then paste it back in as plain text, which is going to remove all the formatting, as so. And then just reapply your formatting, and you redo your hyperlinks and formatting, etc. Now, I do urge you not to use font and color. Instead, just use heading levels and let the theme decide the color and font size of your various heading levels. This ensures uniformity across your site and gives you much more control. It's sort of the difference between writing a document using Microsoft Word formatting versus writing a document that's filled with random colors and fonts